आपने परसों कुछ दिन पहले उमर साहब का आया हुआ एक बयान सुना ही होगा। उस बयान में उमर साहब ने कहा कि अगर स्टेटहुड आने के लिए बीजेपी को ही हुकूमत में लाना पड़ेगा तो ठीक है, मेरा आप इस्तीफा ले लीजिए, किसी और को एमएलए को चीफ मिनिस्टर बना दीजिए, मैं ये कुर्बानी करने के लिए और मैं ऐसी लोगों के जज्बातों को ठेस पहुंचाने के लिए मैं तैयार नहीं हूं, यानी वो तैयार नहीं है। अगर आप इस बात को थोड़ा सा खरोदेंगे, अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा खरोचेंगे, आप देखेंगे कि इसमें एक अहम बात सामने आती है और वो अहम बात ये है कि स्टेटहुड जो है वो एक सिक्योरिटी का मसला नहीं है। स्टेटहुड एट दिस पॉइंट इज नॉट अ सिक्योरिटी इशू। इफ यू बीन फॉलोइंग द प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑफ द Honorable Supreme Court of India, you must have heard about the remark that the Honorable Chief Justice of India also made regarding the Pahalgam attack and saying, oh, because these two things are connected, therefore statehood may or may not be given back. One has to understand, and also if you've heard Chandrachud Sahab speak to Srinivasan Jain a couple of days back, where he said, because Jammu and Kashmir is a different state, he was also in a way referring to the security situation, is why the BJP or the executive should be allowed absolute leeway to give back the statehood as and when they want. Now, I will tell you why this is a problematic thing, because statehood is not just a security thing. It is not even remotely connected to the security. Why? Because the central agencies, for example, the NIA, National Investigation Agency, the armed forces, the central armed forces, they all function under the central government anyway. But I don't know whether the Honorable Chief Justice of India is aware of the fact or not, but ideally he should be, that statehood at this point in Jammu and Kashmir is used as a carrot. It's used as a carrot that the BJP government is showing to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and the idea is, if you're not going to vote for us, you're not going to get this. At this point, statehood has become a tool in the hands of central executive so that they can circumvent the electoral process, and even when they've been defeated by a fairly held election, they want to defeat the election by becoming a part of the government and saying तभी statehood देंगे जब हमको सरकार में रखोगे. I hope that the Supreme Court of India knows that please do not consider statehood to be a security issue. It is at this point an electoral issue. BJP is using this issue in Jammu and Kashmir to ensure that that only when they are put in power, only when their chief minister is voted to power, only then will statehood come back to Jammu and Kashmir. We hope and we pray